Hello, my name is Kenneth from Learning Questa Educational Services. We are organizing an open house and free information event on the 15th of June this year 2018. Come and get updates on admissions into global universities, and proven strategies for high SAT, ACT, TOEFL or IELTS scores, and learn how to take advantage of scholarship opportunities available to you. Our 50% promotional discount and other goodies await the first 20 people that come. For more information, please call 0802-904-5213 or 0813-152-5779. Or send an email to learningquesta@gmail.com. The venue is number 21 Mayo Gandharna Street, Magado GRA Phase 2, Shangeshwar, Lagos. The time is 11 a.m. And the date again is the 15th of June, 2018. See you there.